that stops at Abu Darda radiallahu ta'ala anhu. It's very powerful about making this part of our daily lives. And that's probably one of the things that we can interrogate ourselves with these du'as, with these remembrances, is that sometimes we wait for an extraordinary situation to make these extraordinary du'as that could transform our ordinary lives if we do them on a daily basis. Abu Darda radiallahu ta'ala anhu said, whoever says 7 times in the morning and in the evening, Hasbi Allah, La ilaha illahu, alayhi tawakkaltu wa huwa rabbul arsh al-azim. Hasbi Allah, Allah is sufficient for me. La ilaha illahu, there is no God but Him. Alayhi tawakkalt, upon Him I have placed my trust. Wa huwa rabbul arsh al-azim, and He is the Lord of the mighty throne. That if a person says this 7 times in the morning, 7 times in the evening, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will remove all that distresses them. And you'll find